Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integral here given integration 1 to 3 is square root 2x square plus 4x whole square dx. So integration I is equal to integration 1 to 3 limit lower limit 1 upper limit 3, and we can simplify this part. So 2x whole square is 2 square is 4x square, and here 4 square is 16 x square dx. Integration 1 to 3, and here now 4x square and 16x square both are like terms, we can combine. This is 20x square dx. Again we simplify. So integration 1 to 3, and square root 20 is 2 square root 5 because 4 times 5, so square root 4 is 2 and square root 5. So we write here outside, and square root x square is x dx. Now we can integrate. So 2 square root 5, and this will be x square by 2, because here power 1, so here 1 plus 1 2, and here 1 plus 1 2, and we integrate. So now we can put limit. So here 2 square root 5, and here we can put first upper limit, that is 3 square by 2 minus, now put lower limit, so 1 square divided by 2. So this is 2 square root 5. Here 3 square is 9 by 2, and 1 square is 1 by 2. So here 2 square root 5, and here same denominator. So we can easily subtract numerator. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 divided by 2, we get 4. And 4 times 2 is 8. So final answer is 8 square root 5. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.